going on, everybody? It's your girl Lazyeye, and I'm back with another one. And as promised, I am back with some eyeshadow looks featuring the Christen Dominique palette. And I'm just really happy that I finally got this filmed because I can just take this little sleeve off that I've been holding on to. But I wanted to come back and give you guys actual demos on the look. This is one of the looks featured in the demos. And what can I say? I mean, it made my everyday palettes video for a reason. That's because this palette is low-key lit. And you know what else is lit about it now? You can get it at Ulta. I mean, it's online only. It's not like in the store. But you can get it in Ulta because I know some people were having a really difficult time getting it online on her website because it kept selling out. But now it's at Ulta. Look at that. You know, you can use your little points, save a few coins, and get you the Latte palette. But as you can see in the demo, I mean, what's not to love? If you're someone who's into like neutral colors with pops of color, I think it's really dope. The first color I went in for this look was caramel, and then up and through the crease is pumpkin spice, and then I attempted allegedly tried to do a halo eye. So I went in with the color, ooh, a little dirty, double shot, and then right here in the middle is creme brulee. And this is like what the palette looks like after using it. I did blow it off once because the mattes, so like pumpkin spice, because mocha is smoked out on the lower lash line, the mattes are a little like, they have fallout on them. Like if you've used Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, if I could talk, ABH Modern Renaissance palette, and you know what kind of fallout I'm talking about. But that's because the colors are so pigmented. Like you'll see in the video, once I went in with double shot, I was like shooketh. I was like, who? What? That's my first time actually using double shot, which is the purple color here. But honestly and truly, I love this eyeshadow palette. Like, even if it didn't have her name on it, even if it was another company that came out with it and I picked it up, I think it's a really great palette, especially if you're on the go. You want a palette that you don't really have to think about. You can just grab. Here you go. Here you go. Boom. Boom. It's right here. The only thing I don't care for in this palette, well, it's not even in this palette, it's just the white packaging. I mean, it's gonna get dirty. If you're someone who's like me, you like to keep your palette clean, you're like, oh my gosh, it's so dirty. Like after I get done filming, I'm gonna go back and wipe this off because it's kind of bothering me. The only other things I can see people may be concerned about with this palette is the first ingredient is talc. Some people have issues with that. I'm not judging. We're not judging. I'm just saying some people have issues with talc. Another ingredient that's also in here is mica. People may have a issue with that too, but other than that, the palette itself is really dope. You get really big pans, and I like that you can bend it back. Like, not all palettes you can do that, and the mirror on it is really good size too. The only color I don't foresee myself getting use of is vanilla cream, but that's only because of my skin tone, which, I mean, what are you gonna do about that? I mean, there's a lot of palettes that I don't use every color in, but I probably could mix vanilla cream with, let me show you. I probably could mix vanilla cream with caramel and use it as like a brow bone highlight. But overall, I love the formula. I like the palette through and through. I think it's a really good purchase for your money. And I'm looking forward to see what else Christen Dominique is going to come out with, because if she's on the trend of this, she keeps the formula of this and the quality and the price point, you will definitely see more videos, more reviews on here of her products. Like, I really, really adore it. And then if anyone's wondering, like, I also watched Creme Brulee, which was the one I used. And that's without any primer, without wetting it, anything. The next color is Macchiato. And I'll just put that right there. I mean, they're blinding on their own, and I actually wet these when I went in on my eyelids like I usually do, but you really don't need to. And like the glitters or the shimmers, they have really good they're really creamy. Let me see. This is espresso on the end right there. That I mean, all of them look really good. The mattes perform very well, which is usually the test. Like, the fact that this purple double shot is so lit should tell you that the formula is really good, because not a lot of companies get purples right. I mean, anyone can do a brown, anyone can do orange, but when it comes to purple for whatever reason is a very hard color to execute for whatever reason. I think it comes down to like the shades, because you have mixed like blue and red and things like that. But other than that, I'm really, really impressed, and I think you guys should check it out if you're looking for a new palette to pick up. If you're looking to try out her line, I think you should definitely check it out, especially since you can get it at Ulta online now. You can use your points. You can probably use a coupon. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. look that I came up with. This is the second look. I wanted to do something with this blue color called Cold Brew. It did get a little messy when I went and mixed hazelnut with mocha, because mocha is like, mocha right here is darker than what you think. Like, mocha's nothing to play with. But I went in with macchiato, this color right here, on the lid, and as you can see, it's pretty sickening, it's pretty blinding. And if anyone's wondering what's on my lips, is Tansy from ColourPop Ultra Satin. And in the look before was Elf in the collab with Alyssa Ashley that was on my lips. I was gonna put on the Patrick Star new lipstick, but Alyssa Ashley and his lipstick look the same, so I ended up just going in with Tansy because I wanted to go in with something brown to kind of balance out the blue. But yeah, I think this look came out okay, only because like the blue and the brown, like if you're not really good with eyeshadow placement quite yet, just like I am, it can get a little messy. But other than that, I'm satisfied. The colors still blended the same. Everything was the same the second time around with the different colors. So there's definitely consistency within the palette. The highlighter that I have on is the Fenty Me Money and Hustler Baby, but mostly, let me see, mostly Hustler Baby. That's what you see on the tip of my nose, right here, and in the inner corners to help bring out the look. But yeah, this is like my second outro. But yeah, guys, like I said, nothing has changed about the palette with my second time around doing this eyeshadow look. Of course, I like the first eyeshadow look better because purple is my favorite color because I'm an Aquarius. Y'all know that. But other than that, I had such fun filming this for you guys. I think I'm going to start doing this more, like doing multiple looks with one palette, because sometimes you don't get to see the versatility of the palette and you're just like, okay, I can do this look with it, but what other looks can I do with it? Of course, I didn't do the obvious, which would have been like a neutral look. You can do a neutral all matte look, but I wanted to play with the colors. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your kind comments. Thank you for always hanging out with your girl, Lazy Eye. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.